Drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, crescendo, presented by Haas.
Qualification match 49 underway. Team 20, the Rocketeers, who were ranked 1 just up until last match, desperate to take their place as number 1 back. They pick up a note from the center field, it looks like, and get ready to score at the beginning of teleop. Red Alliance trying to stop that from happening. Team 2601, the Steelhawks, rushing to the center of the field to pick up a note to score into their Alliance speaker. Their Alliance partner, Team High Voltage Robotics, looks like they had a note stuck on their robot, but they managed to wiggle free. Team 20 picking up a note from the center line off to the blue amp to try to score it in order to amp a speaker later. They have the 2 notes required, a note in possession. Blue speaker is amped, and 20 will score for 5 points for each note scored in that speaker. Red Alliance is still leading 29-22 with a minute and 20 seconds left on the clock. 2601, the Steelhawks launching a note towards their speaker. Unfortunately, it falls just short, but they return quickly with another note and manage to score it successfully. Looks like we have 2 blue robots on Team 369 High Voltage Robotics, as High Voltage plays defense on 20 to prevent them from scoring. 2601 in the blue wing grabs a note and heads off to their own speaker to score it for some extra points. Refs are waving flags in the air. We'll see how that affects the outcome of the game later, but for now, the Steelhawks with a note in the red amp, attempting to score it, but unfortunately it just falls shy of going into the amp. Not to worry, they pick it up and turn around and immediately score it into their speaker. Team 20 with a note in hand, scoring it snugly into the Blue Alliance speaker as high notes come flying from human players. It looks like none of those high notes have quite landed on those microphones, but robots can still climb on stage as time runs out. With that, the Red Alliance wins this match with a score of 56-33. Again, the Red Alliance has received an additional ensemble ranking point as a blue robot contacted a red robot in their stage.